This is M.A.R.S. They got smoke. And well, you know, where there's smoke, there's fire. Uh-oh. Very alien-like. Huh, what is this thing? Oh, well, this is rather interesting. I like the vibe. Almost Star Wars-y or something. I don't know. Oh, Mars, red rocks. Makes sense, actually. Okay, so I'm not sure the storyline, but I think we're going into a spaceship. Is this like an alien thing? Oh! I love it. Oh my God. Oh.
You need to keep going, it's not safe.
Okay, okay. Ah! Jeez, there's a spider too. God dang it. Oh my God, no, 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 no. Uh-oh. We can't breathe in here. There's a lot of wind to indicate that the glass was broken. Oh my God! Oh, look at that thing. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God, the bugs. Not a fan, not a fan. This thing's gonna come out. Oh, jeez. They got me, they got me. I'm not sure if that thing comes out or not, but.
Don't let those things get
Oh, okay. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, please don't feed me that. Okay, we're out of here. Come on, man, Maud, we gotta go. If this is the end of the house, I'm sad because wow, that was awesome. Oh.
Thanks for watching the Vacationers Podcast YouTube channel. If you enjoy this content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you'll be notified when new content drops. Also, swing by vacationerspodcast.com for vlogs, videos, and much more, including links to listen to our podcast, Vacationers, Theme Parks, and more. Or you can find it on your favorite podcast streamer. Would you like to know what I'm up to? Well, follow me on X, formerly known as Twitter, where I post anytime I am out and about. Well, that's probably enough plugging for now. So until the next live stream, podcast, or vlog, keep making memories.